Welcome to today's Business Report. I'm Denise Williams, here to bring you the stories shaping the financial world and guiding your journey to smarter business decisions. Let's dive into the top headlines. Borrowing US $21 million from CIBC Caribbean Bank, Jamaican-based Kingston Properties Limited used the money to refinance their existing debt portfolio, covering real estate acquisition costs in the United States, Cayman, and Jamaica, with further expansion to real estate holdings in England with the purchase of a fully tenanted property in Bristol, UK. In a joint press release, Kevin Richards, CEO of Kingston Properties Limited, stated, "We are thrilled to continue to partner with CIBC in executing on our growth strategy, and particularly as we enter the UK market with this strategic acquisition." Both Kingston Properties and CIBC Caribbean teams worked tirelessly to get this deal done. As we expand into new markets, we remain committed to creating value for our shareholders. The Bank of Jamaica is reporting that the country's net international reserves, NIR, which measures the difference between its foreign assets and foreign liabilities, was reduced by US $82.18 million at the end of January. The bank says this resulted from the heavy intervention in the foreign exchange market since the start of this year. The bank intervened in the market with a total of US $90 million over 3 days last week. At the end of January, the NIR stood at US $5.5 billion, down from US $5.58 billion at the end of December. For the trading period ended February 10, 2025, these were the most actively traded stocks. Toll road operator Trans-Jamaica Highway Limited US dollar shares with 11,315,150 units traded represented 45.20% of market sales volume. Alternative energy firm Wigton Energy Limited with 3,681,958 units traded, representing 14.71% of market sales volume. Toll road operator Trans-Jamaican Highway Limited Jamaican dollar shares with 1,998,075 units traded, represented 7.98% of market sales volume. We now shift our focus to the Forex market rates set by the Bank of Jamaica. On February 10, 2025, the Bank of Jamaica reported US $52.81 million purchased and US $52.97 million sold by Forex traders. Forex traders earned $1.40 per dollar, selling the US at $157.97 and buying the US at $156.57. The Canadian dollar netted Forex traders $1.28 per transaction, with selling at $110.94 and buying at $109.66. The British pound yielded Forex traders $7.03 in profits, with selling at $196.33 and buying at $189.30. For our credit report tip of the day, rebuilding your credit is like constructing a bridge to financial opportunities and increased cash flow. If your challenge is a high credit utilization ratio, then your strategy is to lower your balances and request a credit line increase. Aim to keep utilization below 30% or even 20% if you're feeling ambitious. However, if your challenge is an unbalanced credit mix, then your strategy is to diversify. A healthy mix of revolving and installment credit shows lenders you can manage different types of debt responsibly. And that wraps up today's business report. I'm Denise Williams, reminding you that every financial decision is a step toward your future. Until next time, stay focused, stay informed, and keep striving for success. See you soon.